Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unbagging for you. Now, I have got I've actually got 4 things from Amazon that I purchased. Of course, if you've been following me, you know that I cannot sleep half the time. So, here I go, walking myself around on Amazon at night, and I came across a couple sales, and what I got was a couple of canvases and a couple of pens. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the pens real quick, and then I'm going to show you the canvases, and the canvases are kind of big, so I hope I can do both of them. I should. But the pens, let me see, let me pull y'all up a little bit. This first pen I paid $5.56 for, but I went back and it's still available, but it is now $6.39. But y'all know, you never know. Alright, so it is wooden. It is a wooden pen. This is actually wood. I don't have a wooden pen, but it is a single placer, and it comes with it comes with 3 pieces. I thought it was a 3-piece set. I guess they're not counting the single placer. Okay, well anyway, it looks like this might be a 3, 6, and a 9. I don't know. I don't use these because I just don't. I don't like these. Well, you know what? Those are thin. Wow. Okay. Usually these are pretty fat, but that is a thin. Let me bring it down so y'all can see. That's pretty thin. That's almost as thin as those thin white ones. Well, that one's not, but anyway. So, like I said, I got this for $5.56, and it is now $6.39. But that feels good. I mean, that actually feels really good. It's nice and smooth and light. I like these kind of pens. I don't know if I really like the real thick pens or not. Okay, so the next pen that I got, I paid $5.99, and they're still available for $5.99, and it's a 15-piece set. And I just thought it was pretty. And it comes with a couple pieces of wax. And that just tells you how to use your pen. And it says, "My name is Happy." It's a bag with all your placers in it, and well, get out. It comes with 2 straighteners, and I guess them are 2 9s. 2 6 placers, 2 3 placers, 2 straighteners, and then 2 bent. So you get 2 of each of those. Which is pretty cool. And then The pen is black and orange, and you can see through it. And it actually has a 3-placer and a bent end on it. So you're actually getting 3 3-placers and 3 bent ends. But it's pretty. It's different. And that's why I like it. But for $5.99, I thought it was pretty cool. So, there's that one. I'm going to put that there and move that shiny. Okay, so actually I'm just going to move all of it because these are big canvases. Believe it or not. Alright, so the first canvas that I got, I'm going to pull y'all back up. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Alright. Right. Okay, here's the toolkit. You get 1 boat, 1 green boat, 2 plates of wax. You get a few baggies. You get a pink pen with a 3-placer and a blue squishy. Here's the drills. They are round drills. And no DMC on the drills. But look at those colors. That is pretty. Very, very, very pretty drills. We have got greens, purples, orange, blues, different colors, shades of blues, different shades of green, some beige, tans, blacks. I know I've got a... I wonder if I was to turn this light off. Ooh, nope. Anyway, there's different shades of tan and stuff in there. Very pretty. Okay. So this is poured glue. Now, I gave $6.99 for this canvas, and it is a 27.5 by 15.7. Or it's a 70 by 40 centimeter. And I am so sorry about the glare, but I thought it was very pretty. It is a little pixelated to the naked eye, but in the camera it does not look too bad. But it has a big old birdhouse right here. And it's kind of a seaside canvas, if you can see. I'm trying to keep the glare off of it. Anyway, here's the sky in the background, and then you can see the sea in the background. It has a lighthouse bird feeder, or birdhouse, I'm sorry. Here's some rocks with a house and a lighthouse in the background with your sky. You've got your trees in the background, your yard. Looks like maybe a rose bush. You got some more rock, like a cliff formation. You've got a bunch of flowers. You've got like a path right here. You got more flowers. You've got this birdhouse right here with a bluebird. It looks like you've got a what are those birds called? Those seabirds. The pelican, not a pelican. Anyway, it looks like you got a seabird right there. And then you've got a bird there, there. You got another one there. You got one there, there. You got some more you got some more flowers here. You got a butterfly. Got another butterfly. You got two birds here. You got a fence back here. But I thought it was very pretty. I think that's a bird bath. But it has got 30 colors. The DMC is on the schematic. And you have got a schematic on the top left. And you've got another one down here on the bottom right. And very sticky. And if it will focus, it is very clear. Depending on your eyesight, you might need a light pad in the darker areas. Maybe, maybe not. But it is very clear. And if you can see, there is a thumbnail. I don't think you can see it. And then it does go from 1 to 9. But then the letters are all mixed up. So there's that one. Okay. And then the next one is the same size, 70 by 40. Cord glue, round, same toolkit. I'm going to roll this one backwards. Same kind of drills. They all look pretty good. All those colors, the purples, yellows, blues, oranges. They look really good. Alright. And this one is a beach scene. And I gave $5.99 for this one. Very sticky. 29 colors in this one. It has a schematic on the bottom right, top left. DMC numbers are on the schematic, and it is 1 through 9, and then the alphabet. And the letters are all mixed up. Very clear. But in this one, we have got some trees. We've got a lighthouse back here. We've got the sun bursting through. Looks like a sunrise. We have got a dock right here. And again, this one's slightly pixelated also. But I think it will look, I think they'll both look really good once you get the drills laid. But you have got a beach ball. You've got toys down here. You've got the chairs there. You've got a deck right here. You've got coolers. You've got the decorations and stuff there. You've got a beach mound right here. You've got hot air balloons. I think that is hot air balloons. Again, like I said, you've got the lighthouse. You have got, if I'm not sure what's going on right here. But you've got your lawn chairs, you've got coolers, you've got your toys, you've got, whoops, I'm stuck over here. You've got your, oh my God, what are them called? Oh my goodness, your lantern, oh my gosh. The lantern things. Oh my God, somebody leave it in the comments. And then you got your moon over here that's actually going, well, maybe this is a sunset. No, I think this is a sunrise and the moon is going away. But yeah, I thought it was so pretty. And I'm not a beachy person. I mean, literally, I am not a beachy person. I am, take me out to the woods, let's go for a hike. I'll pick up, you know, if I were to go to the beach, I've never been to the beach, y'all. Now, I do go to the lake and stuff, but I ain't never been to the beach. I've never been to Florida. I've never been to the beach, but I would be the one, I would get in the water. It's not that. I'm just not a beachy person. I'm the one over here looking for rocks and shells, and I'm over here exploring. I could care less about getting in the water and swimming and all of that. I'm the one over here exploring in the woods and stuff. But I just thought this was pretty, and for $5.99, you really can't beat that for a 70 by 40. But what do y'all think? I thought it was pretty. I thought they were both pretty, even though they're a tad bit pixelated. I think they're those ones, y'all. They're those pictures that it's those stand back away from it and look at it, and you can see it kind of pictures. So I will leave a link to the pins, to the canvases in my description box. And hopefully, if y'all are interested in them, they'll still be at the same prices. And y'all can get it for yourself. Because this is a great price. And these pins are awesome. And I don't know what it is about the pins right now. But I have been just grabbing pins here lately. I don't know why. It's not like I have a bunch or nothing, and it's not like you can use 15 at a time. So I don't know. I don't know what my deal is. But anyway. Alright, y'all. Please do all the YouTube-y things. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And until my next video, I hope you're all doing well. And I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.